Hi, it's Angeline here. Christmas is almost here, so it's time for another Christmas card with Unity stamp today. First up, I've already stamped and colored this cute stamp set called A Time of Peace by Tara Jackson, and I've already colored it with some Copic markers. I'm going to show you how to create some dimension just using 2 shades of brown here, and by adding dots on your card, it does create some dimension and it doesn't look too flat. So you could grab any kinds of markers that you have, even color pencils will work for this. Next, I'm grabbing this glitter pen from Viva Decor here to add more glitter to my shining star. You could always grab any kinds of glitter that you have as well. Then I'm grabbing the Avery Owl oval burst die here and I've die cut it with some white cardstock, and I'm going to ink it up using some distressed Oxide inks here. Starting with the blues, it does look kind of crazy right now, but don't worry, it will all work out in the end. Then I'm going to the purples here and just adding to the center of the die cut, and of course I'm finishing it off with some pretty pinks in the end. So if you like the intensity of the colors here, you could always stop here, but I'm grabbing my water mister here and spritzing on the inks, and notice the oxidization that's happening and creating this really cool faded distressed look. And finally, I am going to assemble the card and just adhering everything together. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!